melted in my mouth. So yummy, so spicy. Wow, it's a real version of chicken curry. Friends, today I come here with a new innovative recipe, that is spicy chicken curry. It's our own spice, own version of chicken curry. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for my latest new innovative recipes. Around 1 kg chicken, 2 medium onions sliced, some crushed chilies, coriander seeds, fennel seeds, nutmeg, mace, green cardamom, star anise, cinnamon stick, clove, 2 tomatoes, cumin seed, fenugreek seed and black peppercorns, some coriander leaves, stem and with root. Cut this up and clean it well. Make all ingredients like spices, cumin seed, coriander seed, chili and all together in a paste with coriander stem and root. 1 dessert spoon garlic chopped and chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon, 2-3 green chilies sliced. Stir the onion well. Add some salt. Now add a curry paste, red chili, coriander, garam masala, add tomato now. Add little water. Now add ginger, garlic and green chili. Close the lid and put the weight. Give 2 whistles. Open the lid. Masala is ready. Now add chicken. The aroma of the masala is very nice. Add some more water. Now add salt. Cover it and cook for 10 minutes. Now open the lid. The super chicken curry is ready. Add some coriander leaf. Add some garam masala also. Now it's ready to serve. Melt in my mouth. So yummy. So spicy. Wow. It's a real version of chicken curry. If you like this video and the recipe, please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for my latest innovative recipes. Thank you for watching my channel.